Hey guys, Blonderluck here. So today we're going to be comparing the InPods 12 Macron edition to the InPods 12 11 Pro. So guys, first of all, let's look at the similarities. Obviously, both of them are modeled after the AirPods, either the first generation or second generation AirPods. Both of them don't have any visible indicator lights. My version of the InPods 12 Macron charges with the micro USB, but there are versions that charge with the Lightning port. The 11 Pro charges with the Lightning port, which is totally awesome. So another thing I noticed about the 11 Pro is that the indicator at the back doesn't work too well. You have to press it a long time before it comes on, while the button at the back of the InPods 12 Macron is actually excellent. Just one click and it charges up the device. Another thing to note is that the InPods 12 Macron edition have indicator lights when charging the InPods or when you connect the charging cable, while the 11 Pro doesn't have an indicator light. It's probably because of the metallic finish. It's probably difficult for the lights to come out of the InPods 12 11 Pro because of the metallic finish, which I think is cool. Looks really minimalistic. Most people are just gonna think you probably had a paint job or spray job done on your AirPods if you have this. So let's take both of them out and see how they look. So as you can see, like I said, because of the finish on the 11 Pro, seeing the indicator lights is a bit difficult. You can just see it through here, while on the InPods 12 Macron, seeing the indicator light is a bit easy because the lights reflect pretty easily on this. So I'm going to connect this up to a device, so I'm just going to do a little sound test. But from what I can tell you, I've used the InPods 12 Macron for quite a while, so testing the InPods 12 11 Pro, I can tell you that the sound is almost the same. There's not too much difference between them. But personally, finish wise, I would still take the InPods 12 Macron. The finish just feels so good to me. But I think a lot of people will prefer the InPods 12 11 Pro because it's really minimalistic in design. So let's have this connected and let's listen to some music. Okay. So first we're going to do the InPods 12 Macron edition. So we're going to do a little sound test for that, but I did a sound test for this already on the channel, so you guys can have a look at that and you guys can have a basic understanding of what the sound is like. But definitely the sound is really good. Okay. All right, let's put this on. So like I said, constantly loud, always wonderful. Definitely the InPods 12 are one of the best Apple replicas that I've seen, the Apple AirPods replicas. That along their line, the Simple Edition, the Macron Edition, 11 Pros, they're all excellent. Sound is really good as always. Okay, let me try the InPods 12 Pro, InPod 11 Pro. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on. Okay. Okay, it sounds really good. The bass is basically similar. The treble is also really similar. In terms of the loudness, it gets really loud with no distortion. It's really good. Especially the bass. I mean, the bass is out of this world. It cannot be compared to the Apple AirPods, but the bass is really good. At least compared to the TWS i12s, the bass is way better. I always recommend the InPods 12 over the TWS i12s anytime. All right, let's put this down. Okay, so basically, to summarize, I think both of them are basically the same device. The InPods 12 11 Pro has more of a minimalistic design. It's difficult to see the indicator lights, which is definitely a plus, but the Macron edition also has its own benefits. The colors are just out of this world, and the finish is one of the best I've seen. So I really love the finish of the InPods 12 Macron, but I think everyone has their favorite one, so you guys can just tell me down in the comments which one you like more, the 11 Pro or the Macron edition. And if you guys liked it, please leave a like, and if you loved it, please subscribe. See you guys in the next one.